Welcome back to Outgrow tutorials. With Outgrow's advanced mapping feature, you can assign custom point values to every single response in your outcome quiz. This gives you way more control over which outcomes get recommended based on user selections. In this walkthrough, we're going to build an outcome quiz and set up advanced mapping from start to finish. First, from the top navigation bar, click on AI Marketing Tools. Here, you'll find a comprehensive library of industry-specific templates and tools. You can browse by category or use the search bar to find what you're looking for quickly. For this walkthrough, select All-in-One AI Marketing Tools and click Try Now. Once inside, prompt the AI with a request such as, create a quiz that helps users discover their unique leadership style. Within seconds, Outgrow's AI will generate a fully structured interactive draft, complete with relevant audience-focused questions, personalized outcome pages tailored to user responses. When you're satisfied with the AI-generated draft, ask the AI to save it. You'll then be presented with two options. View the quiz using the preview link to see how it looks to your audience. Open the full Outgrow builder to refine and personalize the experience. Click Edit to proceed. Next up, you'll configure your welcome screen. Add your headline, description, and CTA button. Once that's locked in, finalize your design for the welcome screen. Now add your questions and response options. Don't worry about mapping outcomes, yet we're doing that with advanced mapping. And set up all the outcomes you want to recommend based on quiz responses. Here's where it gets interesting. To configure advanced mapping in your outcome quiz, you can toggle on the setting for Custom Outcome Logic. You'll see a note here. Enabling advanced mapping will disable the mapping option available inside each question. That's because advanced mapping gives you a centralized, more powerful way to control the entire scoring system. Now you can assign a score weightage for each option in every question. Look for the score increase and decrease buttons next to each response option. You control exactly how many points each response contributes to each outcome. If you want a full overview of how your quiz is scored, click Show All Mapping at once. This shows you every question, every response option, and the exact point values assigned to each outcome. It's the perfect way to double-check your logic and make sure the scoring works the way you intended. If you need to tweak any scores, you can click the Reset icon in the Advanced Mapping section to start fresh with those values. Once you've assigned all your point weightages, click the Map Outcomes button to save everything. Always test before publishing. Click the eye icon to preview from the user's perspective. Select different answer combinations. Verify that each scenario returns the correct personalized outcome. Don't just check one path test, check all scenarios. Make sure users always get accurate, relevant results. When everything looks good, hit Publish to save all your changes and make your quiz live. That's it. You now have an outcome quiz with custom weighted responses, and the system will recommend outcomes based on which one gets the most total points. Advanced mapping gives you the precision to build smarter, more accurate quizzes. Try it out. Ready to build your first outcome quiz? Sign up for Outgrow's free trial